In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can find all your downloads. All you need to do is find an app called Files and click on it. Then to see recently downloaded files, hit Resend at the bottom left corner and access them over here. You can also select Browse at the bottom in the middle, select the Downloads Received Files category and click on Download Manager to access some of your downloaded files over here. Last but not least, click on Me at the bottom right corner, tap on Settings, and over here manage all of those options to see all of your files in the way you want. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!